Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video on the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 tablet. Here it is open. Because there's not a lot of videos on this at the moment. So there's a few things you need to look out for when you open this up. That's a little speaker over there. And there's one on the other side over there. You'll see the cutout on the screen. And the other thing that you need to be really careful of is here are the Wi-Fi antennas up top. Okay. Now, the problem is that there was glue on top of those. So I actually destroyed the Wi-Fi antennas first and had to order new ones. Okay. And the other thing that's possibly a bit tricky that you might not be sure on is here's the screen clip there. There's another one over this side, which is over here, over there. Now those just clip off. They've got tape on top of them. They just clip off like any mobile phone screen. You can see there and here. And the last thing I want to draw your attention to is, let me just push the screen to the edge so that I can, the way that these flexes actually attach. I'm just going to zoom in. So all you do is you just take something that is like a scalpel or a pair of tweezers, and you literally just clip this up, right, like that. And underneath that is just a flex that clips on exactly the same way as most other flexes do, like that there. Hope this video helps. Give me a little thumbs up if it does. Just wanted to make sure that you guys didn't go through the pain I went through trying to work out how this thing comes together. So I'm just going to go over it carefully so you can have a good look, because quite often when I'm fixing phones or tablets or whatever, I look at the videos and I'll stop it and zoom in to give you an idea of what's in here, how it's put together. Okay.